Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail password. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you find it helpful. Shout out to my 508 subscribers. I really appreciate you all. Without further delay, let's get started. In order to change your Gmail password, first go to your phone setting. Scroll down and locate Google. Click on Google. First, choose the account you would like to change its password by clicking on the forward arrow. Once you have chosen the account, click on Manage your Google account. Next, click on Personal Info. Scroll down. As you can see, there is the password option. Click on it. To continue, first verify it's you by inputting your original password. Once you are done inputting your original password, click on Next. And boom friends, you'll be provided with the option to change your password. Simply input your new password. Once you are done inputting your new password, confirm your new password by re-inputting it in the second box. Once you are done, click on Change Password, and with that friends, your Google account password will be automatically changed. So friends, this is how to change your Gmail password. That's all for this tutorial friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you so much for watching.